right there. So I got the Volkswagen outside. I got some things to show you, so stay tuned. First and foremost, we did it, guys. Thanks for helping us hit 1,000+ subscribers now. I think we have a few more over after this video come out. And so that is awesome. I appreciate all the support and help getting to this point. The Volkswagen has been an awesome project so far. So I want to show you a few things with the project and the painting and the Volkswagen. Give you a little update of what's happening, and again, I just wanted to say thanks for helping us hit the 1,000 subscribers. There's definitely more to come on the Volkswagen. So let's show you what I'm going to try, because there's a couple of remarks and concerns of people talking about the paint. So we're going to do a test. Alright, here is a piece of the Volkswagen metal off the old one. You can see where it got crushed and it's messed up and we ripped it off. So there's some spots that have metal, primer, and paint under it. I sanded it down, I cleaned it off, I'm just letting the primer dry. So I'm going to paint this piece of metal, and half of it I'm going to clear coat to see what clear coat does to it. The other half I'm going to leave just the metal enamel paint with the hardener. And I'm going to stick it outside for the next few weeks, let the sun and weather things do its toll on it, and see what it will do to the car. Help to ease some people's minds, or show that we really are crazy and it won't last. So that is the experiment. I got the paint in there now, getting set up inside the old office. So we're going to work on that. But let's show you the Volkswagen. I put the front fenders on and the hood to give you a good idea what it's going to look like. Also with the paper and all the tape removed. Okay, so the paint hardener setting up, stirring it, got that ready, got a brush ready, got the old tray. So once that's ready, waited 30 minutes or so, I will paint the stuff, let it dry, to hopefully clear coat it tomorrow for the experiment. So there's a single coat with hardener on primer with bare metal and non-bare metal, and I'm going to let that dry. Then I'm going to clear coat it down the center, clear coat, non-clear coat, one or the other, and do the tests for science. So this is an educational channel, because we're going to see and learn if hardware enamel paint will hold up to the elements. Alright guys, let's go see it. Let's go see the Volkswagen. There it is. There's a little sneak peek for you. Oh yeah. It's going to be awesome. It's going to look awesome. Loving it. Look at the shine on that paint. It's going to look so good once it's all done. So what you think? Let me know in the comments. You liking how it looks? Is it looking better than it was? The paint is looking awesome. So there's definitely some imperfections. This is the first coat. It's not quite done, but that gives you an idea what we got going. I just got a couple bolts holding on the fenders and the hood, just to get you guys a little view of what's happening, and hopefully you enjoy this kind of a preview. Still got to finish up the rear fenders. As you see, we got to paint the front and back, but that will all be painted with the second coat of this. You can see we scuffed it down. We're getting it ready to paint. Alright guys, there you had it. The old Volkswagen. If you follow me on Instagram, WOT Garage, you'll be able to see a little more updates sooner. Because if you follow along, you would have seen the hood on it. But tonight I pulled it out, getting it ready. It is going to rain tomorrow, so let's see what happens when it gets rained on. So I need to get a tarp to cover up the back windows and the engine. Might just throw the old trunk on there. Alright, thanks for tuning in to this edition of Wide Open Throttle. Again, make sure you like and subscribe. Definitely more to come. we'll have a little surprise soon, thanks to the old Boosted Boys and PFI Speed. A little challenge they kind of threw out there subconsciously that I want to follow up on. So again, thanks for tuning in, hitting the 1,000. I really appreciate it. It's been awesome. I'm really trying to take YouTube a little more serious. Now we're hitting this mark. I got some more goals with the channel, more things to come, more crazy stuff to happen. So my brother hasn't been around. He has another job, got a new job. So he's gone for 10 or 12 days at a time and only home for 3, 4, or 5. So it's been a little slower working on it because I've been working on it with him for our mom. So please be patient with that. I'll bring out as much content as I can, but understand the time thing with that. Again, till next time.